So in this slide, you have to practice filling it out, the blanks. Rajgar, you have to put the right form of jana in the past indefinite tense. Remember, it's an intransitive verb. Mira jaldi, and you have to put the right form of utna. Remember, Mira in this case is a girl, singular. Bache khoob, you have to put the right form of hasna. Remember, bache is a group of kids. You will use the same conjugation as you will use for masculine plural. Hum wahan, and then you have to use the right form of rukna. Let's fill in the blank here and figure out what is the right form of the intransitive verb that we'll use in the past tense. Raj, Gar, and we have to use the right form of the intransitive verb jana. Okay, based on the rule, it will be Raj, Gar, Gaya. Raj, Gar, Gaya. Second one, Mira, Jaldi. What is the right form of Uthna here? It will be Mira, Jaldi, Uthi. Why Uthi? Because Mira is a girl, it's feminine singular. Bache Khoob, what is the right form of Hasna here? Okay, because it's masculine plural or of a group of children, it'll be Bache Khoob Hase. Next one, Hum Waha, what is the right form of Rukna? Okay, it'll be Ruke. Hum Waha Ruke, we stop there.